Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the chart of Euro dollar in front of us. And for the last couple of days, we were discussing about the trend reversal, and finally we have the trend reversal in front of us. We can clearly see the trend of the market has changed, and the structure of the market is giving us the confirmation that buyers are dominating this market because of the highs and lows, because or in technical terms, market is forming higher highs and higher lows. So if you have taken a buy and if you're a swing trader, then be on the buy, no need to exit, because we can clearly see that further upside is very much possible, and at least the next target on Euro USD is 1.0900. This is the next target of Euro USD. And if the further downside on DXY continues, then obviously we may get to see further upside as well. So let's look at the chart of dollar index once. So overall, if you look at the chart of US dollar index, then as we all know, market was in downtrend. Then just like Euro USD, we had a trend reversal on dollar index. But the problem is that it was showing signs of retracement, and right now we can see the market has broke the previous low. So it was a kind of an uptrend. I won't say an extremely bullish market, but at least DXY was bullish uptrend. And here we can see right now that DXY has broke the previous low here, and market is continuously forming lower highs. So technically DXY is losing strength. So the next high of DXY is going to be very important. If DXY fails to form a higher high, listen to me carefully, if DXY fails to form a higher high, then we can expect that DXY will be going down. And or in simple words, if DXY needs to continue the upside, it will have to cross 104.20. Then only we can consider that okay, DXY is still bullish. If DXY fails to cross this level, then we can expect that okay, DXY is down. And if DXY breaks 103.40, yes, that is low, then it will be heading towards the next support of 102.90 to 103 level. This is the next support. Okay, so the next high of DXY is going to be important, and we can see the structural change of DXY. So yes, further downside is possible. Now Euro USD. So as I said, if you're already having a buy on Euro USD, okay, you are doing a good job, no need to exit, because further upside is very much possible. And during the day, if you see that euro dollar is going down, in that case you can look for buy around 1.0790 to 1.0780. you can look for buy around this area, because see, in this type of market situation, okay, there are two types of trading styles. The first one is, okay, you take a buy and you sit on the buy position for a couple of days, and if you have missed the ride, then you wait for a market to come for retracement. When market will come for retracement and bounce back, you enter again. So here, if you have missed the ride, then you can look for buy at retracement. You can look for support around this area. If market takes support and bounces, you can definitely look for a buy position. And as I said, or not, as we saw actually, the dollar index is not very strong. So yes, it is very much possible. Now, why we are considering 1.078090, you can see here we have FEB 50% retracement level around this area. Market has taken support previously. The previous resistance will be working as support. So if we combine all the factors, then yes, 1.0780, 1.0790, the box here seems to be a good zone of buyers. And if you're thinking about resistance, then in this type of market situation where market forms higher highs, the previous high do not work as a strong resistance. So try to avoid any sell as of now. The world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And my dear friends, this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you are in the market for quite some time and you are struggling, unable to make profit, then only this workshop will be beneficial for you. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Once you open a website, you will see that there's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be beneficial for you or not. Because there are some small things that doesn't require any classes or something like that. Okay, you can just Google the problem and you can just work on it. Okay, just being honest here. So these are the topics that we will be dealing during the workshop. And as I said, 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And during the 1 month support, okay, we will be having weekly sessions, and these are the topics of discussion for the weekly classes. And during the 1 month support, you will be receiving WhatsApp updates regularly. You can see this is our WhatsApp group. So these type of updates you'll be receiving on day-to-day basis. And then we also have a Telegram community so that you can interact with other members. You can share ideas, ask questions. You can see this is just a glimpse of the Telegram community. It's a colorful community. You will find traders from all around the world. You can see the next workshop dates are 1st, 2nd and 3rd of March for English classes, and for Hindi classes 9, 10, 11th of March. Though we have plenty of time for the Hindi classes, but still you can join now. You'll be receiving free access to the Telegram community and WhatsApp messages free till the workshop date. Okay, after that it will start. And my dear friends, you can see the best part is the fees. It's only $15 or rupees 1000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And these are the benefits that you will be receiving during the 1 month. And as we all know, trading takes time. Okay, trading takes time, and trading is like a journey. So to clear doubts, to have personal sessions with me so that you can understand the problems better. If you're looking for personal sessions with me, then you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. You can see these are also very much affordable. If you're wondering how long the personal sessions will last, okay, don't have to worry about that time. Okay, usually, okay, it lasts for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Okay. Personal sessions are useful for traders, okay, who are in a process of learning, I guess. Okay. Anyways, these are the payment methods. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number below, or you can also email here. But yes, please do share your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the group. Thank you so much. Okay, and today is Friday. You need to be careful, especially during the closing hours, because Monday mornings and Friday evenings are dangerous. Okay, now let's look at the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar. Oh my God, it was a choppy chart. Okay, as we all know, GBP USD has been little tough for the last couple of weeks. Overall, the chart was messy. It was a sideways and choppy market, not a pure sideways. It was kind of a choppy market. Okay, then it broke the support. We took a sell here. We were expecting a downside, but market revived. Okay, market revived, and we can see that market is going up again. So things have been very difficult with GBP USD. So I'll say that overall range of GBP USD is still the same. We have 1.2780 at the top as the resistance, and at the bottom we have 1.2500 as the support. This one. Okay, so and in this type of market, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. Okay, if you don't want any mess, okay, then you just need to be patient. Most of the time we lose money in sideways market because we lose patience. We enter on the middle of the chart, our risk management, okay, gets messed up and we lose money. But if you don't want to lose money, then you can wait for buy at support, sell at resistance. This is the resistance, this is the buy. Okay, it is the support. Now see, now the problem here is that the market is very slow here. You can see, though the market is going up, but the market is very, very slow. It is not a clean market. Now see, now when we have switched the time frame, now we can see that internally market is forming higher highs and higher lows. So if you want to participate here, then you can follow this particular trend of the market. Now see, same chart, okay, same chart, but we have two different situations. On H4 or 4 hours time frame, we could see a normal sideways market where buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy, okay, which is for patient traders. But when we have switched the time frame to hourly time frame, we can clearly see the market is going up. Previously it was the resistance. Right now we can clearly see market is forming higher highs and higher lows. So in this type of market situation, you can look for same buy at support, just like Euro USD. So here you can look for a buy around 1.2620 to 1.2600. Around this area you can look for a buy if you see the market is coming down. Try not to sell at the previous resistance, because we can clearly see the market is not respecting previous resistance. So if market comes down, then you can look for a buy, because we have FEBO 50% retracement level as well as we have FEBO 61%. Both the levels are present here. Plus you can see market has taken support previously around this area. Market is also respecting the trend line. Usually I don't talk about trend line much, but here we have a trend line present. So if we combine all the factors, so day traders, okay, again repeating, day traders can look for a buy around this area. Not all. If you're a swing trader, then this is not the ideal chart for you. You need to switch to Forex time frame and wait for the market to reverse from the resistance or bounce from the support. But if you're a day trader, you do not have that kind of patience, you can simply switch to a lower time frame and trade accordingly, because a market or a chart can exist market exists on various time frames, and the trend of the chart varies on every time frame. So if 1 hour time frame is the ideal time frame for you, you can trade here in this area. Okay, and I will not recommend any sell position as of now, because internally the market is in uptrend. Anyways, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Okay, this is market is above all. Okay, but we are retail traders, our capital is limited, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.